Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Surya. Today we are going to discuss basic Excel text functions, upper, lower and proper. Upper function is used to convert text to uppercase, lower converts text to lowercase and proper converts the first character of a text to uppercase and rest in lowercase. Let's try it out in Excel. Let's convert the full name to uppercase using upper function. First select the cell, then type equal, then upper, then select upper function, then select the text to which we want to convert to uppercase. Here its full name, then close the parenthesis, hit enter, then copy the formula to rest of the cells. Let's convert the full name to lowercase using lower function. First select the cell, then lower function, then text, then close the parenthesis, hit enter and copy the formula to rest of the cell. Let's try the proper function. First select the cell, then type equal, then proper, then the text or is the cell, then close the parenthesis, hit enter, then select the formula or copy the formula to the rest of the cells. Here you can see the first character of each string is converted to uppercase and rest in the lowercase. That's all for today. Thank you.